bagyo. Ngayon, sobrang init. My God. Parang hindi tag-ulan. And, so good morning. Time check. It's 2:45 a.m. August 3. And today will be the day for our Bulacan run, or Run Bulacan, sorry. Run Bulacan, you see. So I'm already prepared at this point kasi maaga akong gumising for preparation, plus hindi ko kasi alam kung merong transpo sa labas. Kung wala, maglalakad lang naman po tayo ng 3 kilometers as a warm-up. Pero I hope sana meron. Kahit hanggang dun lang sa crossing ng Malolos. Para medyo malapit na, if ever. We're already walking and wala pong sasakyan. So, ayan. It's already 3:03. I need to move forward or else malalate tayo. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalayo to. I hope na meron tricycle sa labasan sa may crossing. Layo. This will be a warm-up. Ay, let's check. And yeah, my only source of light is this phone. If I have, ayan, ang dilim. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa highway. Bumaba tayo ng Malolos Crossing. And as per checking, right there, from crossing papuntang amphitheater is 1.3 to 1.2 kilometers. So, eto tayo ngayon. Naglalakad sa kahaba ng Malolos Highway. Alright, so based dito sa Google Maps, we are already here in the amphitheater. Kita nyo ba ako? Ang dilim. Ayan. Sorry. So, based dito sa maps, we are already in amphitheater and I'm already seeing them. Here they are. So, we are really here.
Bulacan. And of course, ayan, hello madam, special announcements lang po. Ayan.
To have our
And of course, to all our runners, inaanyahan po kayo dito sa harapan. Ayan. Okay, once again to all our runners, 10K, 5K, and 3K runners. Halo-halo na to ha, kasi pa po kayo dyan.
Nakakagano na nakapag-pressure tumakbo. Grabe, ang dami na nagpo-bypass. Pa 4 kilometers pa lang pero pabalik na sila. 4. Side stitch. This is the place. Wow. Cute. Pinakamahabang last 2 kilometers. Oh. Videos na. So ayan, this is a wrap up. We're back here in Cubao, and just wanted to give you my like a summary ng experience natin for this run. I know nakakapagod. This is the very first time na tumakbo ako ng 10K or 10 kilometers. Literally ngayon lang. Kasi hindi talaga ako nag-training for the whole month before this event. Actually, July pa lang dapat nangyari na yung event, but due to typhoon, na-cancel siya, na-reschedule siya. So, heto tayo, wala pa rin. So, one time lang tayo nakapag-run before the event. Hindi pa nga kompleto, 3K lang yun. And then, here we go. We just run at least kinaya. That's the very good thing naman na nangyari today. And with the whole experience, comparing it with the previous events that I have joined, yeah, medyo, you know, if you're comparing it to those, may loot bags and madaming sponsors. But for this one, may mga sponsors naman siya. And actually, when it comes to refreshments, like every other 2 kilometers, meron din talaga siyang water station. Andyan si Pocari, si Mogo Mogo, and their just mineral water. And then, for this, like, pang 8 kilometers na ata yun, wow talaga ako kasi meron silang pa-fruits. Like, yung pineapple and yung watermelon na yellow. Plus, aside from that, dun sa 5 kilometer, I do not have the clip. Kasi yung last clips ko is, hindi ko pala na ayos yung exposure, so sobrang puti niya. As in, white screen na lang siya. But on the 5th kilometer, which is mag-u-turn na kami, may pabibing ka siya. Hindi lang ako kumuha sa kanya kasi hindi ako ganun kahilig. Plus, mabigat kasi sa tiyan. Hindi ko na tinry. Lalo't hindi naman tayo nag-train na may kinakain while we do run. So, but I expect na masarap naman kasi dinayo talaga siya ng ibang runners. Doon na lang sila nag-stay. Yeah, so all in all, it's a good experience. We do have remembrance naman kung walang loot bag. May pinalit naman sila, which is yung photo booth. So we got that. Just gonna have the picture here maybe after the video, and also the 360 video. Both of them are from the Vera photo booth. Thank you so much for that, the Vera photography. And yeah, that's a wrap. Thank you so much, Run Bulacan. We're gonna see you to the leg 2, which is sa San Jose del Monte. I hope so na maka-join din ako sa May Kawayan. We're gonna think about that. Sana meron ako ma-place na mas tuluyan like this sa Malolos. May nakuha tayong transient. So, let's see for May Kawayan. But see you in San Jose del Monte. Bye! See you next vlog.